Swastik, please start. Yes, beta. See, we are going to deal with the topic surface areas and volumes. Now, first of all, we should be clear that what is the difference between area and the term surface area. We should be clear, like what is the difference between the term surface areas and volume, why we are not calling it only area. Let me give you one example. I have this sheet with me, children, right? This is, what is the shape of this sheet?
Rectangular.
Rectangular.
Rectangle. And its area will be, if this is length, this is breadth, it will be length into breadth. The
Yes,
area will
ma'am.
be
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Side of the sheet. Sheet has two sides, 1 and 2. The area of this side will also be what?
Into breadth.
Length into breadth. Same.
Into breath.
Now, if I have this sheet, one sheet, the area is length into breadth. If I talk of another sheet, the area of another sheet is also length into breadth.
Your voice is
If I
invalid.
talk of this sheet,
Ma'am,
this
your
is
voice
also
is
length
cracking.
into breadth.
is cracking.
So all the
video
sheets
is
in individual. But beta, one thing we
Ma'am,
realize that when we are combining all the sheets, yes, Aryan,
Your voice is cracking.
am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we combine all the sheets, what we realize is it has actually gained some height. It has got some thickness. Individual sheet was having length and breadth, but now this has got some thickness. So instead of rectangle, what it has become? Do we still call it a
Cuboid. Cuboid.
call it a cuboid? If I look from here, this is this length and breadth. If I look from this side, another dimension. Look from this side, dimension is different. But whereas in the case of sheet, there were just two sides. If I look from here or this side, it was same. है ना? So this was area. But here we call surface area. In 3D figures, we use the term surface area because the surfaces are going to be different. From here it will be different. From here it will be another thing. For example, if I show you this thing, if I have got a circle, circle looks same from both the sides. Right? Circle. This is circle. From this side, it is same. But when so many circles are put together, one over the another, what we get is
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
cylinder has curved portion from here. From here it is flat circle. So beta, that is why it has got different faces. इसके अलग-अलग शक्ल है, right? If somebody is going to touch the circle from the top, the person will say it is circle, flat circle. If somebody is going to touch the circle from here, the person will say it is a curved portion. So it has got different face from different sides. That is why we call it surface area and not the area. Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And volume is, this is a cuboidal box. Yeah, children, I will be starting with cuboid today. Is it a cuboid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's a cuboid because you can see from this side and from this side dimensions are different. This is a different dimension. This is different dimension. So it is a cuboid. Now, how many surfaces it has? How many faces it has? कितनी शक्ल है इसकी?
Six.
Let's see.
Six.
Six.
Faces.
Six.
One. Opposite to it, I will mark. Two. Three. Three के बिल्कुल opposite. Back side पे. Let me mark 4, 5, and 5 के बिल्कुल opposite 6. Dice बन गया है ना? So it has got 6 faces, beta. If any one of you is having any rough box around you which is not of use, you can also do this activity along with me, right? You can always do this with me. My intention is to find the area of each of the surfaces. Now I would like to give you the difference between lateral, which is also known as curved surface area, and then we have total surface area. What is the difference between these two? Children, see. Lateral means side. Lateral means side. Lateral means, you have the word quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side. Okay? So lateral means side, and curved surface area. Dekho beta, if I have a cuboid or a cube, this is a flat thing. We call it side. So we use the term lateral surface area. But if I have a cylinder or a conical object or a spherical object, this is my sphere. I have certain objects with me. Do you believe they have any side? क्या इनके पास कोई side है बेटा?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Bring you things available at my home so that you can get to know that these are the shapes in daily life we use. है ना? This ball is spherical. This box of biscuits is cylindrical in shape. So they do not have any side. For the spherical things, for the curved thing, we use the term curved surface area. Lateral or curved surface means only of this portion. It doesn't include base. It doesn't include top. It doesn't include base and top.
Top.
But talk of total surface area. When I talk of total surface area, it includes both top and the bottom. It includes both top and the bottom. Right? Swastik, please pause. Now, children, see. On face 1, L and H, these are the dimensions of this rectangle. What is the area?
L into H.
LH.
Into H. LH.
And what is the area of its opposite face? Just opposite. That is face 2.
L into H. L into H.
What is the area of face 3?
Into
B into H.
B. Into B. LB.
And what is the area of face 4?
LB.
H.
L into H. B into H.
So these four faces, these four sides, which are forming the boundary, of cuboid, they are called lateral. And finding area of these four faces is known as lateral surface area. So what is lateral surface area of cuboid according to you? LH plus LH becomes
2LH.
LH.
2BH.
Plus 2BH. 2BH.
Ma'am, L plus B into H.
L plus B.
2 L plus B into H. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I wish to find its TSA. TSA means total surface area, which will include base and the top.
Top.
That is your surface 5 and surface 6. What is the area of phase 5 now?
LB.
Into B.
L into B. L into B. LB.
What of phase 6? Phase
LB.
6 also?
LB. Into B.
Children, see, PSA of anything is lateral surface area plus area of base.
And top.
Base and the top. And top.
That is the definition of PSA. Now, LSA is 2LH plus 2BH and the area of base and top.
LB plus LB.
2LB.
2LB. 2LB.
2LB. LB plus BH plus HL.
2 into LB plus
LB
BH plus HL.
Right? So this is known as total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. This is lateral surface area. This is total surface area. And children, as you have done it along with me, I hope it will remain here forever. आपको
Yes.
cram it up.
Yes,
क्या नहीं
ma'am.
मार-
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming on to another thing. Let us find the volume. See beta. This is a rectangle with length N and breadth B. What is the area of this sheet?
L into length into breadth.
Into breadth.
Length into
If I take two sheets, it will be 2 LB, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I take three sheets, it will be 3 LB.
3LB.
If I take four sheets, it will be 4 LB.
4LB.
If I take 10 sheets, it will be
10 LB.
10LB.
50 sheets, 50 LB.
50LB.
And if I take 200 sheets, it will be 200 LB.
200LB.
What we realize now is we started with a single rectangular sheet, but that rectangular sheet now has become a cuboid. This rectangle actually changed to cuboid. And what happened in this process? From this sheet of rectangle, it became cuboid because it gained what thing?
It gain height.
Height.
What I am saying is,
Height.
was 200 LB because LB was the area of one sheet and we multiplied it by 200 because 200 sheets were there. Right. Now this 200 is nothing but actually the height of this notebook. Yes, beta? It is nothing but the height. So we call this 200 as H. So that is how the volume becomes LBH. That is how the volume of cuboid becomes LBH. You have done this formula in class 8 also, but that is how we derive. So if I arrange it, now the base of cuboid is rectangle. What is the base shape of cube? What is the base shape?
Square.
So square means everything will be A. Square means L will be equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. All three sides will be equal, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us see. Now suppose मान लेते हैं बेटा जो बॉक्स आपके हैंड में है, it is a cube. So that means it's a square. What is the area of this face if each side is A units?
A square.
A square.
What will be the area of this one? Because all are square.
A square.
Square.
All the faces are equal to A square. We want to find lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means area of phase 1 plus phase 2 plus phase 3 plus phase 4. Can you tell me what it will come out to be?
4A square.
4A square.
Square.
4A square.
What will be TS say?
6A square.
6A square.
And what will be volume?
A cube.
A cube.
A cube.
Right? So we have discussed about cuboid and cube. So Astik,